Today's story is about the old man and his cat. Yaşlı adam ve kedisi. Yaşlı adam, old man ve and kedi means cat. Kedisi, his cat. So the old man and his cat. The verbs that passed in the story. Giderler, they would go, or they used to go. The here, er means the geniş zaman, which is a verb used when we do something habitual. Ler means they. So they used to go. Güneşlenirdi where or was sunbathing from güneşlenmek, and D is the past. Dönerlerdi, they would return from dönmek, and er the geniş zaman, ler means they, D is the past. They would return in the past. Başaramadı, couldn't succeed from başarmak. The a and the ma past in previous stories. It means cannot together. This is the past. Hissetti, felt from hissetmek to feel. Ti is the past because the verb ends with T, so we don't put T. Çalıştı is the same. When the verb ends in sh, this letter also have other letters that pass, usually in our stories. T is the past, so tried. Verir, gives. Okay, vermek to give. Ir is the geniş zaman, gives. Gitti means went. Getir, bring. From getirmek, bring. Çağırdılar, they called. Lar means they. The is the past. Çağırmak means to call. Başladı, started. From başlamak to start. Now our story. Yaşlı adamın tek arkadaşı gri tüyleri güneşte gümüş gibi parlayan kedisiydi. The meaning of the sentence is the old man's only friend was his cat, whose gray fur was used to shine like silver in the sun. So, yaşlı adamın tek arkadaşı. Yaşlı adam, old man. Tek arkadaşı, only friend. Gri tüyleri, gray fur. Tüy means fur. Furs, we don't say furs in English, right? We say gray fur. Güneşte, in the sun, gümüş gibi, like silver, parlayan, shine. Kedisiydi was a cat. So, the old man's only friend was his cat, whose gray fur shone. Do we say shone? The past of shine is what? So, help me in the comments. Like silver in the sun. Her sabah birlikte denize giderler. Yaşlı adam olta atarken kediydi yanındaki kayalıklarda güneşlenirdi. Meaning of this long sentence. They would go to the sea together every morning, and while the old man was fishing, the cat would sunbathe on the rocks next to him. Her sabah, every morning, birlikte means together. Denize giderler, they used to go to the sea. Deniz means sea, a means to. Yaşlı adam, old man, olta atarken, while he was fishing. Okay? Olta alone means fishing rod. Olta alone. Atarken when throwing. So when throwing the fishing rod, what happened? Kediydi, the cat also, yanındaki kayalıklarda güneşlenirdi. The cat also would, here nerede, would sunbathe or bath, how do you say, on the stones next to him, yanındaki. Okay. Gün batıp hava soğumaya başladığında eve dönerlerdi. When the sun set and the weather becomes too cool, they would return home. So gün batıp. The day batmak means set. We're talking about the sun setting, right? It's the day is almost over. So when the sun set, how gün, okay, keep it in mind, it means day. It doesn't mean sun. But while explaining, we have to change it. Hava soğumaya başladığında. Dığında means when. When the weather is becoming. Soğumaya means cool. The weather is changing. It's becoming cool. Eve dönerlerdi. They used to return home to the house. Eve to the house. Akşam yemeklerinde yaşlı adam ona balık verir. Kedi de mırıldanarak mutlu bir şekilde yerdi. At dinner, the old man would give it fish, and the cat would happily eat it, purring. Akşam yemeklerinde, akşam yemek means dinner. Akşam yemeklerinde at dinner we say, yaşlı adam ona balık verir. The Old man gives it fish. Kedi de the cat also what? Mırıldanarak mutlu bir şekilde yerde. The cat also used to eat in in a happy way. Şekil means way. How mırıldanarak by purring. Okay? Bir sabah yaşlı adam kalktığında kendini güçsüz hissetti. One morning when the old man woke up, he felt weak. So one morning, okay, bir sabah, one morning. Yaşlı adam, we know by now, old man. Kalktığında means when he rose up or when he woke up. Yes, when he woke up, tığında means when. Kalkmak means to move up. Kendini himself güçsüz. Güç means strong. Güçsüz is the opposite, gives the meaning of opposite. Like let's say weak. Hissetti, he felt. We said this one in the first slide. So one morning when the old man woke up, he felt weak. Ayağa kalkmaya çalıştı ama başaramadı. He tried to stand up but he couldn't. Ayağa kalkmaya. Ayak means feet or foot. Kalkmaya to, like here, kalkmak. Kalkmak to move. Çalıştı, he tried ama but başaramadı. Alone means he couldn't be successful, but here it means he couldn't. So he tried çalıştı. He tried to stand up. Ayağa kalkmak, by the way, it means stand up, but each one has a different meaning. Together, ayağa kalkmak means to stand up. He tried to stand up, but he couldn't. Kedi onu görmüş olmalı ki telaşla miyavlayarak yanına gitti. The cat must have seen him because it meowed in alarm and went to him. So kedi, the cat onu görmüş. So here him görmüş also the unreported past tense. So it is used when you're in stories, yes, in stories a lot, and when you're telling someone something about what happened but he didn't see that action, you're telling him, we use mış or muş depending. So the cat saw him, olmalı must. So must have seen him ki, this is for enforcing. Telaşla means with alarm. In alarm, it's like, let's say if it's a human, he didn't know what to do. But we're talking about the cat. Miyavlayarak, by meowing, yanına gitti, went beside him. So the cat must have seen him because it meowed in alarm and went to him. Adam ona dokunarak, the man by touching her. So the man touched her diyebildi and could say. So we can say the man touched it and said what? Git yardım, getir, go, bring, help. This is the meaning of this one. Kedi hemen dışarı fırladı ve köye doğru koşmaya başladı. The cat immediately jumped out and started running towards the village. So the cat immediately fırladı, it means like go fast, quickly. Dışarı, outside. So the cat immediately jumped out, let's say, went quickly out and started to run directly or towards what? Köye, to the town, the village. So and directly and started running towards the village. Köy meydanında oyun oynayan çocukları görünce miyavlayarak onlara doğru gitti. When it saw the children playing in the village square, it meowed and went towards them. So, köy meydanında oyun oynayan çocuklara görünce. When, ince means when. Who? The cat. When it saw the children playing, here, oyun oynayan. The children that are playing in the village square, miyavlayarak onlara doğru gitti, went towards them. So, gitti, went, doğru, towards, onlara, them, by meowing, doing the sound. When it saw the children playing in the village square, it meowed and went towards them. Çocuklar onu takip ederek yaşlı adamın evine gittiler. The children followed it to the old man's house. So the children followed it and went to the house of the old man. Adamı hasta halde görünce hemen yetişkinleri çağırdılar. When they saw the man sick, they immediately called the adults. So here, görünce, also past before, when they saw the situation of the sick man. So when they saw the man sick, they what? They immediately called, çağırdılar. Called who? Yetişkinleri, the adults. From, yes, yetişkin, adult. It is yetişkinleri, the adults. Doktor yaşlı adamı muayene edip ilaç verdi. The doctor examined the old man and gave him medicine. So the doctor examined, muayene, examined who? The old man, and gave him what? A medicine. So muayene etmek means to, what did we say? To examine. Edip here, if, because we have two actions, it passed before. Köylüler de onun yalnız olduğunu öğrenince yemek ve odun getirdiler. When the villagers knew that he was alone, they brought him food and wood. So köylüler, we're talking about those in the village, those who live in the village. They also, onun yalnız olduğunu öğrenince, when they knew, ince means when they knew that he was alone, yemek ve odun getirdiler. They brought what? Food and wood. Wood, yes. Yaşlı adam kedisinin getirdiği yardım sayesinde iyileşmeye başladı. The old man began to recover thanks to the help brought by the cat. So the old man started to recover, iyileşmek to recover. Started to recover thanks to, sayesinde here means thanks to what? The help brought by his cat. Okay, and that's it. This was our story. Share it with those who are also learning Turkish, and hope it was beneficial.